A big area of concern and a big virus scare is coming in from South Delhi's Malviya Nagar after a pizza delivery boy tested positive. All the 72 families who he got in touch with, who got the pizza from the delivery boy, are working in a South Delhi eatery, have now been put under home quarantine. 17 other delivery boys who worked with the infected person have also now been put under institutional quarantine. The delivery boy reportedly had symptoms for over 20 days and was tested positive on April 14. The Delhi police has sealed parts of Malviya Nagar now as a precautionary measure. Food delivery major Zomato admitted that some of the orders for the restaurant were where the infected delivery boy worked were routed through it. It also added it is not sure if the person was infected at the time of delivery. It also assured customers on its effort to safe delivery. Pizza chain Domino's, which is not linked to the delivery boy, reassured its customers, saying that it is taking precautions to make all its deliveries safe.
3-4 दिन पहले की बात है, हमें एक पिज़्ज़ा डिलीवरी बॉय जो है वो उसका रिज़ल्ट आया हमारे पास, वो पॉजिटिव पाया गया। हमने इमीडिएटली उसको हॉस्पिटल भेजा, उसके रूममेट की टेस्टिंग की और सारे जितने उसके आसपास डिलीवरी बॉयज़ थे उस पूरे आउटलेट के करीब 16 लोग, उन लोगों को हमने इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन में ले लिया और जितने घरों पे डिलीवरी किया था वो डाटा निकाल करके सेम डे हमने इनको होम क्वारंटीन में डाल दिया। ये सारे लोग अभी भी एसिम्प्टोमेटिक हैं और जिनकी टेस्टिंग किया हुआ है उनका टेस्ट रिपोर्ट अवेटेड है। अभी हमारे पास एविडेंसेस नहीं हैं कि इस बॉय ने संक्रमण फैलाया है, बट हाँ ये ज़रूर है कि ये खुद से संक्रमित था और करीब 1 महीने पहले इसको फर्स्ट सिम्टम आए थे 20 मार्च के अराउंड और 5 अप्रैल के आसपास इसको फीवर ख़त्म हो गया था। अभी एक्टिव डिजीज़ इसके पास केवल कफ की पड़ी हुई है, तो ये राजीव गांधी सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल में इसको एडमिट किया हुआ।
साउथ दिल्ली के एक पिज़्ज़ा डिलीवरी के यहाँ से एक लड़का पॉजिटिव आया है, तो उसके साथ जितने 17 लोग थे, जो उसके साथ जितने भी काम करने वाले को वर्कर्स थे, सबको इंस्टीट्यूशनल क्वारंटाइन दिल्ली सरकार के क्वारंटाइन सेंटर में क्वारंटाइन किया गया है और साथ ही साथ जो 72 लोगों को उन्होंने डिलीवरी दी थी उन सबको होम क्वारंटाइन कर दिया गया है। अभी हम इनको सबको टेस्ट करेंगे, टेस्ट करने के बाद पता लगेगा कि क्या इसकी वजह से इन्फेक्शन फैला है। देखो, एक उसको इन्फेक्शन किससे हुआ उसको चेक किया जा रहा है कि उसको कहाँ से इन्फेक्शन हुआ है। अभी जल्द से जल्द अगले 2 या 3 दिन के अंदर सबकी हम रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी। अगर उसकी वजह से इन्फेक्शन आगे फैला है तो ज़्यादा चिंताजनक होगा।
Okay, so this is a big virus scare coming in from South Delhi's Malviya Nagar after the pizza delivery boy has tested positive. Now, this is not just restricted to Malviya Nagar. This is raising the all-important question pan-India of all the delivery boys and all the deliveries that you're getting at home as well. Are they safe or not? But having said that, it's a double-edged sword. You can't even do away with them. But he had symptoms for 20 days. This particular delivery boy, he has tested positive. 17 delivery boys thereafter have been quarantined after this, and 72 families to whom he delivered pizzas have also been quarantined. Be very careful and only order and call in for food or anything that you require when you only and only require it, because this is a story teaching us all a very important lesson. Ashutosh will be getting us those details. The Delhi government has swung into action, taking all the required precautions that are required. Ashutosh is now joining us. Ashutosh, we've established that the Delhi government is now swung into action. They're taking every required precaution possible as far as Malviya Nagar is concerned, where the pizza delivery boy tested positive as well. But the larger question now is on the delivery systems pan-India, because you can have delivery boys who are positive of the coronavirus. Some of them can be symptomatic, some of them can be asymptomatic, and that is now something becoming a big risk as far as the community transmission is concerned, Ashutosh.
And in fact, I asked this question to the Delhi Health Minister, that whether there's going to be a rethink on the delivery system, because government gave relaxation to all the hotels and restaurants that they can, not allow guests sitting there, but there will be home delivery of food. Now, after this pizza delivery boy incident, the government in fact has swung into action. As you rightly said, that there is action going to be against the company. That despite symptoms, as there are also reports that he was also symptomatic. So if there are symptoms, and in spite of all that, he was allowed to go at field, so certainly there will be strict action against the company at the same time. All those people where he delivered pizza have been sent into quarantine, asked to sit in a home quarantine, and all his colleagues, 17 colleagues who were working in that outlet, have been sent to government quarantine. So that was a quick action by the government, and there will be tests conducted once the report is out. Then there will be a further thing from the government about the relaxation, because this could again trigger, another epidemic like what we have seen already in Markaz case in Nizamuddin. So that's somewhere the government and authorities
absolutely, Ashutosh.
So government
absolutely, and the government has very evidently swung into action as well, but now they will have to also mull on this part, as you were mentioning, Ashutosh, not just for food deliveries, but other deliveries that are also taking place. Delivery of medicines you can't do away with essentials and groceries you can't do away with. For some people where cooking is a concern, for the elderly, they are relying on these apps heavily to get food delivered as well. So it's a catch-22 situation for the authorities as well, and in a situation like that, the government really have to go ahead and take some sort of a guidance from medical experts as well.
Well, all these guidelines are, under place. In fact, the companies, there are norms and regulations already in place that there are symptomatic, if any individual should not be sent, there should be self-quarantine. So it perhaps upon, again, comes to the implementation by the authorities and agency, but at the same time about those companies for ensuring that their delivery boys are going place to place, home to home, they must ensure that if there is anyone with the symptoms, should be asked for self-quarantine. The mask, gloves and all the...
All right, hold on right there, Ashutosh, we are cutting...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.